Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit. In this video, I've got to answer this question because this question's written in all caps. This person is in dire need of figuring out how to get Ungated with DVDs, okay? I've talked about this probably 40, 50 times on my channel, but of course, you know, new people come to my channel and they're like, what the heck are you doing, Steve? Like, tell us how to get Ungated. So I'm gonna make another video kind of breaking this down right now. But before we get into it, I wanna let you guys know there's multiple types of restrictions, right? So when you start selling on Amazon, you have to understand Amazon doesn't trust you anymore. They don't trust anybody. Amazon's a great place to make money, but they've got a big problem with counterfeiters and bootleggers. So they're trying to, kind of vet the sellers that come on, and they want the sellers to kind of prove one time with certain brands and categories that they're legit. So what they do is they ask for invoices, okay? So when you go to sell a DVD, you're not going to be able to sell it as a new seller unless you've been selling for a while and got grandfathered in or submitted invoices, which I'm going to share. So what you're going to need to do, and you're going to notice it when you go to sell a DVD or scan a DVD, it's going to say that you're restricted and you're going to have to submit invoices. They're going to ask for a certain amount of invoices. So for any product, all you have to do is click on the button on Amazon Seller Central where it says restricted, and it'll pop up and it'll either tell you that, you're hard gated, there's nothing you can do, we're not accepting applications, or they're going to show you like you need to submit an invoice with 10 items or 100 items or 300 items. It really differs based on the category and the items, so on and so forth. So with DVDs nowadays, lately, it's been anywhere from 10 to 100 DVDs that you're gonna need to get. Now, when it comes to selling DVDs on Amazon, there's two doors that you have to go through, right? Two doors that you have to unlock. The first door is unlocking the restriction of selling DVDs as a whole within the category, okay? So you have to unlock the category. And then the second part is you are going to have to unlock various brands. Now, with DVDs, there's a lot of brands that once you unlock like the DVD category, there's a lot of brands that you're going to be able to sell. But then there's brands kind of like Universal Studios where you might be hard gated or they're going to ask for invoices. This actually happened to my buddy the other day, who he's been ungated for DVDs for a while, but he got restricted in Universal Studios. So what he's going to do is he's going to buy, I'm not sure if it's 10 or 100, I'm not sure how many invoices or how many units they're asking for him to buy, but he's going to use a website called Alliance Entertainment. This is a wholesale website where you can buy, wholesale products, get an invoice, and then upload it to Amazon. But what I would recommend doing, for this person who left this screenshot in all caps, is I would go to the website christianbook.com, okay? And what you want to do is you want to find a DVD, hopefully a DVD that sells. There's a bunch of DVDs on this website. You're probably not going to make money selling these DVDs, but you're going to hopefully sell them and break even or make a little bit of money or lose a little bit of money per DVD. And this is just an investment, right? It's an investment to unlock the category of selling DVDs. So christianbook.com, you're going to buy either 10 to 100 DVDs, and you're going to know this because when you go to scan DVDs or books or anything, it's going to say restricted, and all you have to do is click into the product and it's going to tell you what it wants in order for you to sell it. I want an invoice that shows that you bought 10 of this specific brand or 10 of a DVD, right? In this case, which is the first store, unlocking the category of DVDs. So let's just say, for example, they're saying that you have to buy 100. Find a DVD on the website that's maybe $3 or $4, buy 100 of them. It is going to cost you $300 or $400. And then once you purchase that and the items get shipped to you, you're going to get an invoice. Sometimes you could ask christianbook.com, hey, can you send me a digital invoice? Sometimes they'll give you a physical invoice. And what you're going to do is in that invoice area, you're going to have to check off a couple of boxes saying, yes, I bought 10 or 100 items. Yes, it's from a supplier, da-da-da-da-da. You're going to check all of them off. You're going to upload the PDF. You're going to sign your name, everything that it's asking for, and you're going to upload that, okay? And hopefully on the first try, that invoice will work and you'll get Ungated to be able to sell within the category of DVDs. Again, it doesn't mean you're going to be able to sell every single DVD, similar to like Universal, like I said, or maybe Marvel, or maybe there's a DVD that's about Lego, right? You're going to have to get Ungated for Lego, which unfortunately is hard gated for a lot of people, which means they're not accepting invoices. But that's pretty much what you have to do, okay? Now, the key things to keep in mind is when you're buying these 10 to 100 DVDs, the point isn't to make a ton of money because you're not going to make a lot of money with wholesale DVDs. The point is to try to find a DVD that turns quickly. It has to have an ASIN on Amazon, okay? So you got to make sure this DVD is on Amazon available for sale because you're going to have to provide the ASIN and then you're going to have to upload the invoice, so on and so forth. And I'm going to put a little document down below. This is 100% free. It actually shares with you step by step how to do this. Again, it's free and I just walk you through. I have a document. It's a DVD ungating guide, nothing to sell. I'm just trying to help you guys out. And it kind of shares a example of an invoice and how you could like highlight certain things, because sometimes depending on the rep that you get, because you're getting these reps from different countries, people, you never never know who you're going to get at Amazon. I'm just being real. Sometimes they'll reject it, and sometimes you have to apply 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. I know it's annoying, but the good thing is this is what keeps a lot of competition out of Amazon nowadays. A lot of people don't want to put in that work. They don't want to figure out how to overcome these hurdles. And I'm telling you, whether you're trying to overcome hurdles of avoiding counterfeit complaints or IP complaints or getting ungated or hurdles of not being profitable, there's ways to source profitably. There's ways to get ungated. There's ways to get around these obstacles. So check out the document down below. And again, like I said, when you're looking for these items, make sure it's a legit product that is actually for sale on Amazon. Try to find something that's selling somewhat quick. You don't really have to worry about selling something that's too fast selling. Whereas like if you're doing eBay to Amazon or thrifting, sometimes you want to be a little wary of items that are too fast selling because you got to watch out for counterfeits or bootlegged items, but you have an invoice, you bought it from a wholesaler, so you really don't have to worry about that. So try to find something that's going to turn very quickly. And again, submit that invoice. If it gets rejected, the key thing is don't keep uploading that same invoice to the same case that you have. Go ahead and close the case. Use ChatGPT. You could ask ChatGPT, how do I open a case? How do I close a case? How do I start a new case? You could even go on this video and literally take the transcript. You can download the transcript. YouTube has it. If you go into, I think, the comments and all the way down at the bottom, you can copy the whole transcript, upload this to ChatGPT and say, hey, I'm listening to this guy on YouTube who's telling me how to get ungated. I want you to save all this information in your memory, and I want you to guide me with getting ungated and uploading invoices, so on and so forth. So that's how you could use AI now to really help and support you as well. But yeah, it's just a game of having to find a supplier, right, in order to get ungated, buying however many units they're asking, right, downloading or getting the invoice, whether it's digital or they send it to you, and then submitting it. Again, check out the document down below that shows you an example of, you know, an invoice that one of my students have used. If you have any more questions or help, you can leave a comment down below. If you want any more support, mentorship, check out resellingfreedom.com. That is my mentorship. It's less than $1 per day. We have anywhere from 2 to 5 live coaching calls per week. We have a community, we have a course, we have workshops, we have everything in there for literally less than $1 a day. Cancel anytime. So don't go out and spend thousands of dollars to start selling on Amazon. Literally start for free or get a, you know, inexpensive mentorship that's actually there to help you. We've got, you know, almost 300 members in the group, and I'm in their coaching every month, and we've got, I think we're up to 8 coaches now in there. People who sell books, people who do eBay to Amazon, people who do all different types of models within Amazon. There's people who focus on books and DVDs and Amazon to Amazon flips, eBay to Amazon, so on and so forth. So if you have any more questions, drop a comment here or check out Reselling Freedom. But that's pretty much the name of the game. Again, you've got to be persistent because sometimes Amazon is a pain in the ass and they will reject you over and over again. And there is, I'm going to be 100% honest, there's just times, like there's periods of time I've noticed where it's like a month or two and they're just accepting all the invoices. And then there's times where it's like, I don't know, freaking Jeff Bezos is telling everyone in the freaking workforce, reject every single invoice. It's freaking drives me cuckoo sometimes, but I just want to be 100% honest with you. Just be persistent. Check out the guide down below. And with that being said, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. I appreciate you watching. Hopefully I was able to answer this person's question. And, you know, again, make AI, make ChatGPT your best friend. It can guide you through all of this. Take the transcript, upload it, save it. You can even watch other videos and really just make your little AI friend extremely knowledgeable to help walk you through the process. Because I suck with stuff like this. Like I need someone to help me and guide me and hold my hand. And no more do you have to spend hundreds of thousands of dollars for coaches or mentors. Like AI could help you with a lot of this stuff, to be 100% honest. Or again, Reselling Freedom if you want real human hand holding. But with that being said, guys, much love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.